calculate the value of the closing stock using the FIFO method. To do that, we first have to calculate how many units do I have on hand. So let's start. The opening stock is 500 units plus all the purchases. That's 300 for 500, 6, 750, and 300 is 1050. So there's 1050 units bought. Then we've got sales of 1286, and we have to deduct that. And if we look at the extra information, there's 20 units that's returned, there's 10 units donated, and 4 units stolen. So let's see, how many units do we have on hand? 500 plus 1050 minus 1286 minus 20 minus 10 minus 4 is 230. So there's 230 units on hand. That's the stock I have. Now what is the value, the money value of those 230 units? Using FIFO, we're going to work bottom up. So we're going to work from the last units purchased backwards. We need to calculate altogether 230. Now in this case, December has got 323, but we've got to just check whether this is recorded in this information, and it doesn't look like that. So the 20 units that's returned in June changes this 200 to 180, because we have to deduct the 20 units. In September, 10 units was donated to a charity. So in September, we've got to deduct 10, so it is now 240. And in December, 4 units were stolen. So this is now 296. Now if we do the FIFO method, we will say, right, let's see if we can take 230 all in one go from the last that we've purchased. And in this specific example, it is possible to take all 230 of the units out of this last one that we've purchased. So it's 230 times 23 Rand. And that is 5,290. So this is the value of my closing stock.